So, I recently did some water activities in my deep wave wig. And since all of my wigs are glueless, for additional support, I decided to use some lace tape. But this tape must be made by the same company that produces Gorilla Glue because this shit ripped my lace. Now, lace tape is not supposed to rip your lace. In fact, this is the first time that I've ever experienced this. So I went on and threw that in the trash. Usually when a tear is that large, the lace will usually need to be replaced. But I'm busy and I don't got time for that right now. So I decided to show y'all how to repair it instead. When doing a lace repair, it's important that you use clear thread because if you use any other color thread, you will be able to see the thread through the lace. And after the shampoo, it bounced back like fire. When I put this wig on, you can't even tell that it's been repaired. You can't even tell that the lace has been ripped, and you can't even see the clear thread through the lace. And although this is my first time ripping my lace, a lot of y'all be ripping y'all lace on a regular basis. I still haven't figured out what y'all been doing or how y'all been doing that, but if this applies to you, then feel free to use this tactic to repair your lace instead of shipping it back to me. Because since them kids just went back to school, I know we can all benefit from saving a few dollars here and there. But if you got any upcoming vacation that involves water activities, my deep wave wig in Mei Ling is made with raw Burmese hair, making it perfect for vacation.